some curry chicken feet, guys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wash the chicken feet. Here's the chicken feet over here. And some lime, guys. Good to wash it with lime and white vinegar. Always wash your meat, guys. Don't follow nobody, okay? Alright? Always wash your meat with vinegar and lime or lemon. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, this is chicken feet. Make sure we cut the toes off. So today we're making curry chicken feet, guys. Very easy to cut the toes off. 2 seconds and put a little core in it. See that, guys? So the season could go inside right there too. Very delicious, guys. I have some blend season right here. There's some blend season. I will have to make another video to show you guys how to make a blend season. Here I got my Jamaican easy spice curry, Jamaican all-purpose easy spice. Here I got my chicken easy spice, and I got an all-purpose Maggi, and you know my traditional pimento, ginger, garlic, and I'm gonna crush some fresh pimentos. Here the chicken feet over here, so I'm gonna season it right now. Not much, that much blend season. A little each, guys. This season is good, as you can see. It's MSG free, so it's very good season to use, guys. A little bit right there. Can't make it too soft. I know some people like to take measurements, but you can do the measurement and season to how you want it. It's my Maggi all-purpose. And I'm gonna show my fresh pimento. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna add some Italian. See that I'm adding some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and sunflower oil. I'm gonna add just a little bit, guys, not much, to rub that flavor into the chicken, give it good flavor. You see, look at that with the curry. And I'm gonna show you guys, after that we're gonna burn the curry again. I'm gonna cook this in the pressure cooker pot, okay? I'm gonna show you. So here we have the pot. This is a pressure cooker pot. I'm gonna throw a little bit of oil, not enough, guys. That much oil. If you look over here, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna burn some of the curry. So I'm gonna burn probably maybe ½ teaspoon of curry powder. I'm gonna burn it as well, guys. Very important to burn your curry too. Yeah, so I'm gonna burn that. Meanwhile I'm burning, I'm gonna add, look over here, I have some carrots. This is fresh thyme. I got Irish potatoes, and this is some chopped garlic, chopped scallion, and some chopped onion. I'm gonna let that fry in the oil meanwhile as well. Yes, guys, look at that. See that sizzling? Yes, I'm gonna drop the chicken feet in. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it get a little sear for like 5 minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna wash the season out the bowl. I'm gonna throw the water in it and close it down to cook for like 30 minutes. That's it. So for now, guys, I'm gonna let it swizzle for a little. I'm adding, just gonna mix that in the season. I'm gonna throw that, all of those. That's the carrot, Irish potato, onions. That's it, guys. Later on, after it finish, then we can put the rest of the season. I'm gonna just migrate this season. Lovely season. In the next video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make blend season, blend spice. Okay, guys, it's very important for that as well. Look over here in the pot, looking so lovely. Yeah. Cut it, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna get that seared for like 5 minutes and throw some water on it. Guys, so I'm gonna add the water. So I'm gonna add about that water to cook it. Just look at that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close it down in the pressure cooker. Let it cook for like 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes to be exact. After that, I'm gonna show you when it's finished and what to do after that. Okay, look at that. So yes guys, check it out. Check it out guys. Yes, that's it. It's in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna let it cook for 30 minutes. So yes guys, look at it now. Look at it. Very cooked guys. Well cooked. What I'm gonna do right now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these sauce in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these sauce. You can check it out, and I'm gonna add a sweet pepper, and that's it guys. Yes guys, check the finished product. Check it out. Yes guys, I did it with some white rice. Remember to like, subscribe, and share guys. I'm not even editing this thing straight, so I'm uploading it. Check it out, looking lovely guys. Curry chicken food, or curry chicken feet with white rice guys, looking lovely. Check that out. Remember to subscribe, like, share for more. Check it out.